Hey everyone, thanks for checking out my videos. Today we got another Wltoys small series, small rally and drift series. We did two of them and we have two to go. Today will be the K989 1/28 scale rally car, the counterpart to the 969, and then we got the 252 and the 242. I always mix up the names, or the model numbers, but let's go ahead and open this up. And again, I think I mentioned in the last videos or in these past videos that this is already known to be a pretty cool little rally RC car. So really excited. Spec wise, it's very much similar to the 969. I would say check that out. I do love the packaging on these little ones. They do come in very nice, very clean. So huge fan of Ken Block, and this is his kind of the generic version of his Fiesta rally car. But anyways, getting back to that, this is basically the same spec as that 969. The difference being that this comes with grippy rubber rally tires versus the plastic the plastic drift tires that this one comes with. And this works best with hard floor like this. Actually, while we're on that topic, I wanted to give you guys a look at my latest kitchen track configuration. So we can come this way, back through here, nice little hairpin, back around, another nice little loop. So I've been playing around with this with these two little these two little drift cars, and I'm about to throw the rally wheels on this, and I'm gonna take this one out, and my lady and I are gonna give it a run on this track. So hopefully I'll get some footage on this. But like any of these, it's cool that they give you different gearing options, give different gear ratios. I do like the Wltoys 2-cell or 2S balance charger. This is one of the better USB chargers, in my opinion, of the cheaper RCs. So I do like to hold on to these and use them. Other than that, you need to get your little manual, K989. And opening this up, man, that looks cool. It says it's supposed to be Hoonigan. Okay, but let's see what we got inside. So pretty much the same RC. Very cool thing about these is it comes with a 3-wire servo, so you can definitely upgrade that or add a gyro to it. Here's the nice rubber grip tires. They are very narrow, but I do see that this thing is very zippy. So going back to that, I know that there's a lot of videos on this already, and that's why it's already known to be a cool RC. I know that they do sell a lot of different components, different metal upgrades for them, but in a lot of the other videos I've seen about the upgrades, that it does take some modification to get things to fit. I do plan on keeping this thing stock, or I don't plan on doing any modifications on this anytime soon. They're cool little RCs. I don't plan to jump them around. I just want to make my own little mini tracks like this and enjoy them. But you do get the standard Wltoys transmitter, 4 AA batteries. Not a big fan of the steering and trim adjusters being buttons, but it's cool the fact that they do have them. There's the power switch in a slightly off location, but a nice foam grip, and range isn't too bad on these, but it's definitely not a bad budget RC transmitter. So this was definitely nicely packaged and zip tied. I did get the let's see, I did pick this up for about $50 shipped. Just pretty much the same prices as these, equivalent to the Rally versions or the Rally counterparts. But check that out. Very nice metal chassis on the bottom and the upper support bar too. Check that out. It's a 130 brushed motor. It does come with a 2S LiPo battery. I don't remember the size or capacity at the moment. This is your actual plug port, and this is actually, you plug it in using the battery's balance port. But let me stick the body back on so you can get a look. And our guest stars here, SG1604, the shell of the Wltoys A949 Rally, which actually fits on this guy, both being 1/18 scale. We got the SG1603, so these are all the kind of smaller sized budget RC cars, which are awesome. And I actually do have my HBX 2188 with me today, so let me go ahead and grab that. Alright, just grabbed the HBX 2188. I did rig up the front and rear lights on this thing. Actually, I think I might have it plugged in, so definitely I'll give you guys a look at that. There you go. Check that out. So very cool thing about the SGs is that they're lighted front. They have the halos, red and white lights and everything, but I thought that was pretty cool. And you know, lights for some reason give it a pretty cool effect, and when you run, it lets you run them at night and still have some extra fun. But anyways, that's the HBX 2188. It's a 1/8 scale, a 1/18 scale. There's a size comparison between the SG, so it is a little bit smaller than the SG. You can see, but I got both the Mustang bodies right there. Put this way, and going back to the focus of this this one is the 989. So very cool. We got a little collection of mini Hoonigans. So I'm excited to get that out, and hopefully I'll get some video of this on the track again. So thanks for watching, and I really appreciate all your comments and all your support.